I'm Nicole. I'm from the Society of Women Engineers. Today we're going to be making some Shrinky Dinks. So we got this information from bouncebackparenting.com. So they have all the details of how to do this at home. We're going to be using a clear number 6 plastic. So it kind of like lids that you'd find at the store. This is those like ribs, the top of a ribs thing. You can take that and cut it up, and then you draw on that. And then we can use that for our experiment. So I'm going to show you guys some more details on this. So this is the number 6 plastic that we're going to be using. I just drew a little rocket ship on here. I used permanent marker. You need to use a Sharpie or any other kind of permanent marker, and Sharpie highlighter on here that I drew. And then we're going to cut this out, and we're going to put it in the oven. I cut my little Shrinky Dink out, so if you want, at this point, you can also kind of hole punch it. So you can use, we have this little thing here, you could just kind of go through and create a little hole, so if you want to use it as like a necklace or something like that. What you want to do is you want to make sure your oven is preheated to 350, and then once it's ready to go, we can go ahead and put this in, and it'll start shrinking up. It'll shrink up to about 1/3 of its size, so make sure you draw this, maybe, I could even drawn this a little bigger, so however big you want to. I'm going to grab the foil. Do not do that at home. Use hot hands or have an adult help you take this out of the oven. But that's my Shrinky Dink right there. And so we have some wood here. We're going to take it and put it on the wood just to like flatten it out a little more. You could do this with any like pots or pans that you have at home or anything to flatten this out. Oh, it got stuck to the thing. I'm going to pop it off. Maybe a little mark, but there you go. And that's my little Shrinky Dink. So some other things you may want to have with you is some hot hands to grab everything out of the oven. I know I just use my hands. Try not to do that at home. It'll be really hot. And you should also make sure you have something to flatten it out. So like we used wood today. It's easy to just use a spatula at home if you have that. That'll be really easy to flatten it out. But that's all you need to do to make your little Shrinky Dink. And so again, the website is bouncebackparenting.com. That'll have more information on how to do this. But yeah, that's your Shrinky Dinks. I made out of number 6 plastic.